Resolution at a distance is the ability to image an apple seed at submicron resolution without having to cut the apple into pieces. Many research advancements might not be possible without the ability to non-destructively analyze hidden details at high resolution. For example, additive manufacturing. It sounds a bit futuristic, but it's reality already. The technology of printing metal components is opening new ways to produce complex part designs. However, additive manufacturing processes can only be mastered by those who invest in materials research, process control, and quality assurance. But suppose you want to examine the microstructure of parts right after printing without destroying them. ZEISS X-ray microscopy uses resolution at a distance to provide insights that no other technology can offer. Analyze the quality of the metal powder and its distribution directly in the powder bed. Explore the microstructure of printed components non-destructively. Impurities, voids, and unmelted particles become visible. Roughness and topography measurements become possible for inner structures that are not accessible to any other analytical method. Additive manufacturing is groundbreaking technology. Resolution at a distance gives you the complete relational view needed to evaluate your process. Move beyond exploration to achieve your moments of discovery. Learn more on the ZEISS website.